Now for the cash flow support wise, the government is actually co-sharing the risk to the bank, with the bank promoting promoting the loans to the SME owner. So they actually expanded a temporarily bridging loan program to all sector, okay, and of course increasing the maximum loan quantum to under the SME working capital. All right, do check it out. All right, this is the time where the interest rate is actually quite little, and at the same time the government has also do a lot of cold risk, so thereby increasing the confidence of the bank to lend you the money. So do take advantage of this scheme right now and borrow the money. But do remember, when you borrow the money, make sure that the returns that you are generating is able to cover the interest cost in the future. All right. Otherwise, you will be just borrowing, and it may be hurting in your business for the long run. Do speak to us if you want to know how to plan for your own cash flow and whether you have enough cash flow to pay in the future. Do speak to us. Now, as I mentioned just now, the lower interest rate. This is an article from Straits Times. Is only probably between 2% to 3%. Now, they also allow you to defer your principal repayment for secured loan. So take note about the grants and loans over here, because for all grants and loans, it requires a minimum of 30% based on the ultimate local shareholding. 30 local refers to Singaporean as well as Singapore PR. Okay, Singaporean is only for the grants. All right. So for MNC, whereby the 100%, when you are 100% owned by a foreign entity, you may not be able to consider under these grants and loans, because do remember that the Singapore government had to take care of the Singapore business first. So how do they identify which one is the Singapore businesses? So through the minimum of 30%. All right. But that is how the government is actually helping. That is how the government is actually helping the local. All right. Now, do take note about the deferment of the corporate tax payment. Okay, all companies with corporate tax payment due on April, May, and June will automatically be deferred to July, August, September. All right. Take note about this because this will increase the cash. This will allow you to delay your cash flow, thereby increasing the cash flow for the next few months.